Welcome to Okum Soza channel. To clean a moldy shower curtain, here are step-by-step guide to follow. 1. Vinegar and baking soda. All you need are white vinegar, baking soda, mild detergent, a washing machine, if machine washable, a soft brush or sponge. Fill equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Then generously spray on the moldy areas and let it sit for about 15 minutes. 2. Put the shower curtain in the washing machine. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda and a small amount of mild detergent. Use a gentle cycle with warm water, but if the curtain is not machine washable, fill in a bathtub with warm water, add a 1/2 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of white vinegar. Soak the curtain for 30 to 60 minutes, then scrub with a brush or sponge. After washing, rinse thoroughly with warm water. Hang the curtain back up to air dry. Do not use a dryer. 2. Hydrogen peroxide and tea tree oil. Mix equal part of water and hydrogen peroxide with a few drops of tea tree oil in a spray bottle. Spray the moldy areas generously and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Use a soft brush or sponge to scrub the moldy areas. Rinse with warm water and hang to dry. 3. Salt and lemon juice. Mix lemon juice and salt together to form a paste. Apply the paste directly to the moldy areas of the curtain and scrub gently with a brush or sponge. Rinse with warm water and let it dry in the sun. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe.